Hello and welcome to this video where we decipher the difference between liquidity rates and breaks of structure. A lot of beginner traders and sometimes even intermediate traders struggle to understand price action and market structure. It is critical to understand both price action and market structure because it allows you to be on the side of the so-called peak boys, and being on their sides means being profitable. So let's dive into the difference between liquidity rates and breaks of structure. The liquidity rate is also known as a stop run. It is a strategy used by market makers to trigger stop orders with the aim of moving the market in a particular direction. A break of structure in Forex refers to a significant shift or disruption in price movement, typically leading to a change in the prevailing trend. So this is the example that I've come up with. Okay, so this is an old high here. You see the market break that high with one candlestick, and then the market immediately trades back below that high. So the bear sitting here successfully defended this old high. Okay, so this is not a break of structure, it is a liquidity run. Some traders would expect the market to come to this demand zone and then buy from that point. This is a fake demand zone and will never work. Okay, then you see this old low here. This old low is successfully broken by 1, 2 candlesticks. Okay, so that's a successful breaking structure. Then you see the market come back to the supply zone at this point, and then it sells off because this was a true supply zone, because this was a true break of structure. So this is just understanding how the market flows, order flow. There are rules to this. A 2 candlestick break indicates the bulls or bears are not strong enough to defend that low or high. So the bulls sitting here were not strong enough to defend this low, and the bears sitting here were strong enough to defend that high. A 1 candlestick break and close with the next candlestick retracing back into that high or low indicates a liquidity run and is equivalent to the below example, wick above and close below. So this move here with a 1 candlestick break and close with an immediate retracement below this old high is equivalent to the market just wicking above that high there and then closing below with the candle. So you'll take this information and then you'll use it in the overall grand scheme of things. This information should not be used in isolation and should be used within a trending market, with you having an overall understanding of the overall market structure and order flow.